Welcome back. We're still dealing with rounds of heavy rainfall and even a few thunderstorms across the state, but we're going to go ahead and go to the green screen to get a closer view here in South Louisiana. So we do have a pocket of heavy rainfall over New Iberia. This would eventually move into Lafayette for this evening, so the rain won't be ending anytime soon as we get into the nighttime hours. And with rainfall of the last 24 hours, some areas seen between 3.5 to 4 inches of rainfall, but as far as lower rainfall amounts, at least a quarter of an inch for the south, up to at least 2 inches within the last 24 hours. So this will only increase as we continue through the rest of this weekend. As long as we have that tropical moisture in here, that will continue to fuel showers and thunderstorms for the rest of this week. So the National Hurricane Center has upgraded that disturbance in the southwest Gulf to potential tropical cyclone 1. So this will likely become either a tropical depression or even tropical storm here in the next couple of days. And we're still checking out that other disturbance in the Atlantic that will eventually push closer to the East Coast, bringing in some showers as of now. But right now, just a large area of disorganized showers and thunderstorms. So this is a look at potential tropical cyclone 1. Right now, still a cluster of showers and thunderstorms, but that will eventually strengthen into at least that tropical depression or tropical storm. So the first name of the Atlantic season is Alberto. If this does strengthen to at least a tropical storm, that'll be the first of this season, and then we'll continue through the rest of this list as many storms as we'll get here for this season. But as far as rain chances right here in Acadiana, pretty high the next couple of days. We'll see some lower rain chances by the end of the weekend, but even then, still a chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms the rest of this week. But South Texas, they'll be taking the bulk of the rainfall here coming up now. But even here in Louisiana, we'll still have a chance to get up to 4 inches of rainfall as we continue through the next several days. Now, as far as excessive rainfall, we still have a slight risk, more so towards the west, and even a moderate risk that shifted more so for Texas. But still a chance for heavy rainfall that can cause flash flooding in a few locations, especially in those low-lying areas. So for tonight, mostly cloudy skies with scattered showers and thunderstorms once again. So starting off pretty wet for that morning commute with temperatures still in the 70s. And then for tomorrow, we do it all again with multiple rounds of showers and thunderstorms. And as far as those rainfall accumulations, we can get up to another inch of rainfall with higher amounts possible as well. But luckily, temperatures won't be increasing too much. But if it does dry out for a short period of time, we'll see an increase in temperatures. But of course, in those rain-cool areas, temperature is pretty nice in the 70s, even some low 80s as we head into Tuesday. So timing this out, still rainfall continuing through the rest of this evening into tomorrow morning. We have a few breaks here and there, but we'll still deal with multiple rounds of showers and thunderstorms for the next couple of days. But that rainfall does shift more so towards the west as we get into the end of the week. So Juneteenth is also tomorrow, and we're still dealing with scattered showers and thunderstorms there, about 60%, and we'll continue daily rain chances into the weekend. And temperatures warming up into the 90s, so 90s are back in the forecast again starting on Friday, and we'll continue that trend through the middle of next week. So the highest rain chances are the next couple of days, but we'll start to see that decrease as we get into the weekend. Now, temperatures overnight, the coolest nights, 74. That won't be until this weekend coming up, and then we'll warm up back into the upper 70s. Now, we'll have another snapshot at your 10-day forecast coming up later in the show.